Guys, you're gonna hate me. I started a little. Shoot, why is it so focus? I'm doing a video. Oh, darn, I'm doing a video. Alright. I'm doing a video on you. I did it late. Okay. What? No, they can't. So that looks like Saturn. This is part 2, by the way, guys. Matthew, if you're watching this, comment below. That's a nice firework. This one, that one's pink. Oh no, that's red. Okay, that's gray. I started a little late. They're gonna hate me. Ugh. There's a little green ones. That's a really sparkly one. That's messing up my camera. I can't even hear it. What the frick? I know the base like right down below us. We're like almost done. Abby, I'm taking a video and this is gonna be on YouTube. So whatever you say, it's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, sometimes.
It's gonna be 5 minutes long about it. I can't even hear anything. That's green. Oh, look at those red ones. There's red ones. Yeah. There's red ones, guys. Can you be that, guys? Those are all the fireworks. There's none on the other side. That was nice. Those one look like Saturn. It looks like pixels on my camera. Well, that's a huge green one. Whoa. No, I'm doing all the fireworks in San Diego. 1st through the 8th. Whoa. 1st through the 8th, I'm doing fireworks. There's gonna be a huge one. Whoa, they like change colors. I can't see it on the camera. The 1st through the 8th, I'm gonna be doing 8 parts of fireworks. Tomorrow's night is at 9:50, and then it's gonna go to 9:40. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys. I'm gonna tell you after this part. I'll go ahead and talk to you. Whoa. It's almost, oh my god, whoa. That one, I know, it did look like Mickey Mouse. Even though oh my god. Why is it red and green? No, that's orange and green. Whoa, I think this is the ending. Now, I started a little late, so, that's the last one, I think. So I started a little late. Yeah, the lights are back on, but that's it, guys.